This is everything you want in a summer cocktail. It's fruity and sweet, but not overly sweet. It's got a little bit of balancing, kind of bitter acidity that is really nice. And it is just refreshing. Your getaway from the chaos and claustrophobia of life. So you can escape to your jungle canopy and celebrate with this delicious drink. So let's go shopping. My current favorite, little Mexican dark rum. I just love this. I love using it in cocktails. It's so sippable, but it brings really tasty notes to cocktails. And it's fun, and it's a little bit different. So we're using that one again, because I like it. Next, we're using Cappelletti. Definitely a bottle worth having in your collection. I've been loving using it in cocktails, especially for those summery, fruity, sweet cocktails when you want to just sort of balance out that sweetness a little bit. This has been really fun to sort of use. So today we're gonna make our jungle canopy. 1.5 ounces of a dark rum, 3/4 ounce Cappelletti. It's hard because it's foamy. 1.5 ounces of an imperial pineapple hard cider. That is going to be our pineapple juice component. 1/2 ounce lime juice. 1/2 ounce honey simple syrup. So it is a simple syrup made with honey. And then we're gonna do 2 drops of a saline solution. So that is going to be just like a salt and water solution. Helps make the flavors pop just a little bit. Ice. Rocks glass. Oh, I want a rock. Okay, pretend. All the way to the top. Very ladylike. And that is how you make the jungle canopy.